SDR Flow Plus is a highly flowable bulk fill composite that seamlessly adapts to cavity walls with an easy manipulation-free application. What's more, it supports application layers up to 4 millimeters thick. Because of its high surface tension, it has the ability to self-level, allowing for controlled placement even in challenging situations. Compared to conventional composites, the SDR Flow Plus monomer molecules are larger and more flexible. If allowed to cure unconstrained, like on an open flat surface of a table, both composite chemistries would show a similar behavior of volumetric shrinkage. However, when the same composites are bonded into a dental cavity where there's no space to reduce their volume, the SDR Flow Plus monomer has the flexibility to adapt its shape and create a low-stress network during curing. The conventional composite does not have the same flexibility, leading to significant shrinkage stress. SDR Flow Plus makes dentin replacement in a Class II cavity easy, reducing the risk of gaps and voids. SDR Flow Plus is applied to the cavity, starting at the lowest point of the proximal box. The thin cannula of the Compula delivery tip should remain in the material during the application to prevent the creation of air bubbles. After allowing the material to self-level for 2 to 3 seconds, cure with a polymerization light. Any SDR Flow Plus application should stay about 2 millimeters away from the occlusal surface, allowing space to place a universal composite of choice as the final layer. In medium-sized Class I and Class II procedures, the application of one 4 millimeter layer typically will suffice. In case of an exceptionally large or deep cavity, such as a post-endodontic restoration, a second layer might be required. The SDR Flow Plus placement technique not only allows for gap-free results, but also saves time in the process, compared to the conventional layering technique. This ease of application doesn't compromise quality. In a 6-year clinical follow-up, SDR Flow Plus restorations showed the same success rate as more complex layered restorations. And restorations done with SDR Flow Plus also have excellent visibility on X-rays. With nearly 15 years of clinical use and long-term studies, SDR Flow Plus has proven to be a reliable yet simple alternative to layered composites for posterior restorations. Let's recap. SDR Flow Plus helps overcome issues with access and visibility. SDR Flow Plus provides gap-free adaptation without the need for manipulation. SDR Flow Plus provides lower shrinkage stress compared to other composites. SDR Flow Plus bulk fill placement technique is faster than conventional layering and showed the same outcome quality in long-term clinical trials. SDR Flow Plus offers 19% higher radiopacity from the original SureFill SDR Flow and is available in a translucent universal and 3A shades. See why dentists around the world rely on SDR Flow Plus for posterior restorations and beyond, and discover what it can do for your practice today. What are you waiting for?